actually. Why are you not speaking like today?
That's my neighbor right there.
It's so ee video chesi first app. If you haven't heard of Khan Academy, and these homeworks.
A few moments later.
Hey there, Elandaru. Welcome back to another awesome Friday with me, Harshita. So ee video chesi I'm gonna tell you guys some amazing free school apps that can help you with your homework and school. So apps chesi they're available on both iOS and Android, and these will definitely help you with your homework. I've been using them, so I hope this will help you. And without any further ado, go watch the video. But first, this video is not sponsored by anyone. Neni video and I'm just making this video to help you guys. So yeah, this is not sponsored by anyone. I'm not sponsoring anything, and yep. Okay, so first app వచ్చేసి Khan Academy. So Khan Academy is hands down the best app out there. ఇందులో అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. There's help for every single subject. There's chemistry, history, biology, math, calculus, algebra, whatever. So మీరు just ఏంటంటే download the app. You could go to App Store or Android, Google's Play, and download the app. So app download చేసుకున్నాక you just open it, fill out your information. There's help for SATs, logarithms, algebra 2, chemistry, as you can see on my phone. So నా preferences ఇందులో పెట్టుకుంటే they give me help for literally whatever I need help with. I've been using this app since 8th grade and it's working best. I love this app. Alright, so the next app is called Slader Homework Answers. So Slader ఏంటంటే basically once you download it, మీరు ఇందులో మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నంబర్ ఆర్ నేమ్ని టైప్ చేస్తే మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ చూస్తే there's my French టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ from last year and my algebra 2 from last year. So basically ఇది ఓపెన్ చేసినారంటే మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ you have to find your text book name, serial number, whatever. అది ఫైండ్ చేశాక మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్లో ఉన్న ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ ఇస్తుంది, బట్ it won't give you the work. Usually just ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుంది బట్ ఆ వర్క్ చూపించదు. And even though if it shows it, please do not cheat, because just don't. And మీరు ఇక్కడ స్కాన్ చేయొచ్చు మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నెంబర్ని అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ఇండియా, ఎందుకంటే ఇండియా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ అట్లా ఉంటుంది నాకు తెలీదు, బట్ యూఎస్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్కి వీ యూజువలీ హ్యావ్ లైక్ అ నంబర్ అండ్ అ కోడ్ టు స్కాన్. But yeah, check it out. So the next app, it's called Mathway, and if you're struggling with math, then this is gonna be your best friend. You'll love this app. Endukante basically, so ఈ యాప్లో first you download it and then open చేశాక మీకు ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. So there's pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus, statistics. There's so many options. So మీరు ఒకవేళ మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉంటే you can take a picture of it or type in the equation and మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుంది. But the problem is ఒకవేళ మీకు ఆన్సర్స్కి స్టెప్స్ కావాలంటే you can't see them, ఎందుకంటే చూడండి. So when I click tap to view answers, నన్ను అది సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్కి అడుగుతుంది. You can see it here. So subscription అడుగుతుంది and it's pretty expensive, like $10 a month. Honey, no thank you. So అందుకనే it's like a map to me, but it's definitely worth it if you don't want to look at the steps. And yeah, I love this app. Definitely recommend it to any people who are struggling. Okay, so the next one is Socratic by Google. So this app, let me tell you, my best friend. I love this app. ఈ app ఎందుకంటే మీకు చూపిస్తాను. So first download the app, open it, and మీరు ఓపెన్ చేశాక there are wide varieties of subjects you can choose from. So మీరు ఇక్కడ స్క్రోల్ చేస్తే there is biology, chemistry, physics, earth science, environmental science, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus, fiction, non-fiction, drama, poetry, US history, world history. There's everything. And మీరు స్పీక్ చేసి కూడా క్వశ్చన్ అడగచ్చు, it will help you. Or my best friend, take a picture. So మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో or వర్క్షీట్లో ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్ ఉందంటే just take a picture of it, and then పిక్చర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అది ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే it usually scans it and then gives you the answer from Google, so that helps you. Trust me, my favorite app, so definitely recommend it 100%. Another awesome app for math people
or people who are struggling with math or whatever.
I don't know, but it's called Photomath. So Photomath it's an amazing app. I think this is from Snapchat. I honestly don't know, but Photomath is a thing. So మీరు first open Photomath, you download it. It's pretty cool app. And app open చేశాక what you do basically is, again you could take a picture. So ఇక్కడ ఇట్లా ఒక rectangle లాగా ఉంది కదా, అందులో మీరు ఒక మీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్లా చూపిస్తే and it will give you the answers with the work with it. So it's a pretty good app, but Mathway is definitely better than Photomath in my case. ఎందుకంటే Photomath కొన్నిసార్లు like gives you like a wrong answer. So I feel like Mathway is better, but you can try it out. So the next app is called Quizlet. So Quizlet ఏంటంటే it's literally the best app you could ever find to study. So ఏంటంటే మీరు basically you open the app. It's also on computers. So మీ computers లో కూడా దొరుకుతుంది ఇది. So basically you open Quizlet and మీరు ఇక్కడ create అని నొక్కితే you could create a study guide, you could create a folder. So usually ఇందులో మీరు ఏమన్నా పెట్టుకుంటే like sets ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట, like from other people too. So నాకు ఇక్కడ French ఉంది. So మీరు ఇక్కడ స్టడీ చేసుకోవడానికి there's flashcards, there's learn, write, match, test అన్నీ ఉంటుంది. So this will make sure you'll get an A in your class. So definitely recommend this app 100%. So Quizlet download చేసుకోండి and yep. Do I feel like I'm going super fast? But if you also think I'm going super fast, please comment down below because I want to know if this is okay with you or not. Okay, so next వచ్చేసి it's not really an app, it's multiple apps ఎందుకంటే it's from Google Drive. So I usually prefer Google apps more than Microsoft apps for studying and school. So Google apps అంటే basically it's Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms and ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి like spreadsheets and whatever. Next వచ్చేసి Microsoft, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా. I prefer Google ఎందుకంటే everything you do literally goes into your Google Drive. So you can download the apps on your phone, you can be on your laptop, iPad, anything, and me notes అన్ని it'll be saved very securely. I prefer this way much better. So for example నాకు నా phone-లో I have my Google Docs. So like whenever ఒకవేళ నేను ఒక essay రాస్తున్నాను అనుకో, if I want to proofread it, sorry guys, I'm struggling today, so please ignore that. So ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి have like my reading reflection, whatever all these things are. So నా essays అన్ని రాసుకొని if I ever want to like read them and like go through them, నా phone-లోనే వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. I always don't have to like get my laptop and stuff. And Google Slides వచ్చేసి it's also another amazing thing. So there's like cultures of world, whatever, there's so many slides, and these slides they're so organized and way better than Microsoft. Sorry Microsoft, I'm not hating on you, but I just like Google better. Okay, so this other app is Chegg Study. So Chegg Study it's a mix of Slader and Socratic and Mathway and Photomath, whatever. It's all combined into this one app, Chegg. But నాకు Chegg ఎందుకు అంత నచ్చదంటే it's like I don't know, I feel like messy with that app, but you could definitely try it out. Links are always in the description box below, so you can go try it out. So చెప్పాను కదా, it's like Slader, so you can scan your textbook, search with camera, type in your questions, literally all those apps together into one app, and it's Chegg. Sorry, yeah, it's Chegg. So you can try out Chegg, it's pretty good. And yeah, let's go into the next one. This app's going to be on your laptop. ఇది ఫోన్లో కూడా ఉండొచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నాను, but I'm not really sure, but it works the best on laptops. So first ఏంటంటే open your Windows or MacBook laptop and then download Grammarly. So మీరు ఇది పక్కా వినుంటారు. So Grammarly ఏంటంటే it's an app where it autocorrects everything. So మీరు ఒక్కసారి ఇది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్నాక either on your phone or laptop, ఇది it stays on your screen forever. So మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా like email type చేసినా, application fill చేస్తున్నా, or if you're typing up an essay, it automatically autocorrects your English. So ఏమైనా mistakes ఉంటే వెంటనే కరెక్ట్ చేసేస్తుంది. So this way you could have no error essays or applications. So first download చేసుకున్నాక go to your selected browser. So I'm choosing Safari. So ఇక్కడ పైన నా cursor చుట్టూ చూపిస్తున్నా కదా, it has like that small G attachment on the top. So it does not do any effect to your laptop or anything except ఒక application open చేసి if you're typing like hi, my name is Harshita, I am in 5th grade. I'm not in 5th grade, I know I'm typing that, but yeah. So మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే in the corner it says for critical in Grammarly అని. సో అది ఒకసారి మీకు క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు మిస్టేక్స్ చూపిస్తుంది, like you have these many mistakes అని. So if for here it says spelling, it's wrong, correct it. So I unte make it capital and చూపిస్తుంది, and then mistake in spelling it says check your spelling. So this way you can have no errors in anything. This works for emails as I said and any applications too. So once it's in your browser, మీరు ఏది టైప్ చేసినా కూడా మంచిగా ఆటో కరెక్ట్ చేసేస్తుంది. Yep, and చూసేసారు కదా, that's it for this week's video. I hope this helped you anywhere, somewhere or the other. But yeah, e-apps I've been using them since a lot of time and all of them are amazing. మీరు ఒకవేళ try చేస్తే let me know which one you like the most, so I'll be happy to hear from you guys. And also, do not cheat. Don't cheat using these apps because these apps are just here for you to help with your homework and stay successful at school. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And e-week actually there are no post notifications because I was messing around with my comment section, so మొత్తానికి అన్ని comments పోయినాయి. So I'll try to get them all back, but don't forget to comment on today's video. I'll definitely give you guys a shout out next week. And yeah, see you all next Friday. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Bye!